of storms? I don't know. Let's bring in 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. Is this storm going to impact plans today, Hallie?
Yeah, you know what, at times. So this morning, I do think we get a good chunk of dry weather coming, and then we have to kind of be on alert later this afternoon and evening into tomorrow morning. So yes, it's rounds. It's the same system, but it's the warm front and then the cold front is involved too. So when we look at our headlines for today, some of the things you need to take note of. We have a wind advisory that starts at 8 a.m., goes until 8 p.m. So outside of any storm chance, we're going to have strong winds throughout the day. Gusts up to 45 miles per hour, in some cases maybe a bit higher. And then of course any storms that impact that wind profile are going to be even stronger, especially these storms are moving so quickly, racing off to the northeast this morning at 55 miles per hour or even higher at times. So they'll move in and out quickly, but they bring that threat for, again, some stronger winds. It's going to be a big temperature drop too once we get behind this system tomorrow. We look at what's happening right now. We have a line of storms coming through. You can see all of that lightning now moving into Bad Axe, the Grosse Points, toward Roseville, and then we're seeing St. Clair Shores. Now there's a weakening line also through Lansing and Jackson. Still a few lightning strikes just along the border of Ohio and Michigan. But when we look a little bit closer at this one, this is the one that's packing a punch, bringing some very heavy rain, but also bringing some decent sized hail, nickel sized hail. In fact, reported Flint and then down into Oakland County, Ferndale also reporting the size of nickels as far as hail is concerned. So something we'll watch for the morning. Hoping this, of course, keeps on the lower intensity level and just brings in some rain. We are, and you notice the green shaded area, we're in a marginal risk. That's mainly for later this afternoon into tonight as a cold front starts to move in. We have this huge area of low pressure and that severe threat all the way down through the Gulf states. And this is really the highest threat. This could be some long-lived and long-tracking tornadoes, unfortunately, for parts of the deep south. So we'll be watching that. We're on the northern edge of it, which means we do have enough lift and we do have the ingredients for some storms, just not that potential for anything widespread. Temperatures are certainly warm associated with the warm front, of course, but behind it, look at the temperature change, 20s and 30s with snow around Minneapolis. So that colder air will move in behind this system and we'll start noticing it tomorrow as temperatures begin to drop. As far as our winds, we have the wind advisory, as I talked about, started at 8 a.m. That south wind sustained up to 25 miles per hour and gusts of 40 or higher will carry us throughout that advisory time. Now temperatures are mild, 63 in Howell, 60 in Detroit, 58 degrees right now in Pontiac, and that helps keep the rain, the storms going. And then we see redeveloping storms about 4 o'clock this afternoon through the evening, and a few of those could be stronger. So hour by hour forecast shows this will come and go. But again, once we get through the morning, I think we'll see a good chunk of drier time. While that's nice to enjoy the warmer weather, it gives us time to kind of refuel the atmosphere and get more instability going. And these showers and storms redevelop after 4 o'clock. Some of those could be strong. The potential for some very heavy rain too. Could see easily 3/4 to maybe even an inch of rain with some of these thunderstorms that come through tomorrow. Now temperatures fall from a morning high in the 50s to the 40s later in the afternoon on Sunday. Quite chilly but dry for St. Patrick's Day, and then temperatures rebound a couple days. Tuesday